Let's continue by taking a look at the adhered system. Firestone's adhered EPDM roofing system consists of standard or reinforced membrane that is fully adhered to the roof insulation with Firestone bonding adhesive. The adjoining membrane panels are overlapped and spliced with Firestone quick seam tape. The insulation under an adhered system is anchored to the roof deck. Therefore, the adhered system is installed on roof decks that provide adequate pull-out resistance for mechanical fasteners. These decks are listed in the System Design Guide section of the technical manual. Here's the procedure for installing the adhered system.
After the roof surface has been prepared and the insulation has been installed and fastened, as discussed earlier in this tape, position the rolls of EPDM membrane on the insulation, roll them out, and unfold them. Position the panels allowing for a 5-inch overlap between adjacent panels. Allow the panels to relax properly. You can use this time to prepare EPDM details. Typically, medium-sized panels of EPDM, up to 20 feet wide, are used with the adhered system. But smaller panel sizes are recommended during cold weather to reduce or eliminate the fold lines in the panels. After the membrane panels are positioned and have been allowed to relax, you can adhere the panels to the roof insulation. Begin by folding the first panel to be adhered back evenly onto itself, so that approximately half of the underside surface is exposed. Then, fold the adjacent panel back evenly onto itself. Again, so that half of the underside surface is exposed. Sweep this exposed surface with a stiff broom to remove dirt and any excess dusting agent. Next, stir the Firestone BA 2004 bonding adhesive thoroughly, so that it is uniform in consistency and appearance, with no sediment at the bottom of the can and no color streaks. Then, apply the bonding adhesive with a solvent-resistant paint roller to the exposed surface of the membrane panel and the adjacent roof insulation. Apply the bonding adhesive evenly. Avoid leaving any puddles or globs. Apply the adhesive simultaneously to both the membrane and the insulation to allow for approximately the same flash-off time. As an option to paint roller application, you can apply the bonding adhesive with a power sprayer, but you must still backroll the adhesive with a paint roller to assure uniform coverage. When you apply the bonding adhesive, make sure none of it gets on the lap seam area at the edge of the membrane panel. Hold back the bonding adhesive approximately 6 inches from the panel edge, so as not to contaminate the seam area. Allow the bonding adhesive to flash off until tacky. Check the bonding adhesive using the touch push test. When the adhesive no longer sticks or strings, the adhesive is ready for mating. As soon as the adhesive is ready, bond the membrane to the insulation. Starting at the fold of the membrane, roll the folded membrane back onto the insulation, slowly and evenly, so as to minimize wrinkling. Complete the application by brooming the top surface of the membrane, using heavy pressure to assure uniform adhesive contact. Then, apply these same bonding procedures to the other half of the membrane panel, and repeat the process for all membrane panels laid out on the roof. Then, attach the membrane at the roof perimeter and curbs. To learn how to attach the membrane at the roof perimeter and curbs, and to learn how to apply other roofing details, watch tape number 3 in this Force videotape series. After all the membrane panels are fully adhered to the roof insulation, splice the field seams using 3-inch quick seam tape.